Good morning, everybody. Karasiewicz here. I hope y'all are having a terrific Memorial Day weekend. Today's tip is going to be another time-saving tip, but this time we're focusing on the Mac OS X user. These are the people that have the MacBook Pro, the MacBook, etc. It's also going to be a tip to help out people that are using iOS devices. iOS meaning Apple iPhone, Apple iPad. And what this tip's going to allow you to do is going to let you cut down on the amount of paper, and it's also going to help you when you want to read an article or take something with you that you found on the web. It's going to be you don't have to print out stacks of paper. This is going to apply to directions, etc. And so let's get started. Let's just say I happen to find this web page which talked about the difference between business accounts and personal accounts on Facebook. And I didn't have time to read this. Obviously, we know this is a very short article, but basically all you have to do is go to the File menu and then go to Print. And in this menu, obviously, instead of selecting, I want to print this to a piece of, I want to print this to this printer, and I want to do black and white, and I would hit Print. We're going to go over here to this left-hand column that says PDF. And OS X has a built-in feature. It's called Save as PDF. And I'm going to basically select this option that says Save as PDF. And I can call it whatever I want to. I can, put in my meta information, my author, my subject, my keywords, etc. So I can find this later on. I can password protect this if I want to. And all I have to do is hit save. And I'm going to save this to my desktop, by the way. So we're going to hit save. And what's going to happen is it's going to print as if I'm printing a physical copy, but I'm only going to get a PDF. So I'm going to actually go over here and let's open this real quick. And this is basically what I have. I have this entire PDF, and I'm going to move this over so you can see this, but see, I have the exact same article here that you have on the web page. And what's really neat is now I can see all these questions. I can take all this with me. And you can do this with just about anything you want. You can do this with a map. For example, let's just pull up Google Maps. And let's just say I wanted to, find... let's just say I wanted to find, let's see, the White House. And I happen to find a map that I wanted, let's just get some directions. Let's say, okay, here, let's go here, and I had some directions. Or say I wanted to print this whole paper with me and take it with me, because there's these great reviews here. Again, you can just hit print, you can hit PDF, save as PDF, save it to your desktop. And now I will have a document that I can take with me. How cool is that? And once you've done this, Apple has a feature for users that are using the bookstore. If they're using iBooks, what this allows you to do is you can load up a PDF. In this case, you've created a PDF. You can load this into iBooks, into your iPad, or into your iPhone, iPod Touch. And you can take this document with you, and basically it'll be accessible from your device. No more having to go and try to find maps, go to print off paper. Again, you're killing trees each time. But this is an eco-friendly solution to taking web pages, maps, instructions, etc., anything you want with you in a PDF format. And if this is for OS X users. So I don't know if any of you, if you've ever tried this. But it's a feature that I love to use all the time. If I'm ever going on a trip, I spend a few minutes and I print out a number of PDFs and I put them in a folder and I keep them on my desktop. And therefore, if I'm on a plane or if I'm sitting in a car, I can just open these up. I can read them. I can understand what they're doing. And also, if you have an internet connection, these links they also work as well. So, for instance, like I could click whitehouse.gov. And it creates an active link, in this case, to the White House. Pretty neat, huh? So there you have it. Hope you all are have a great Memorial Day weekend. And if you have any questions on this, don't hesitate to ask. Thanks, bye.